Hey Aastha, Bruno is so adorable and is always well groomed and happy.
Thank you so much, Preeti. Of course, he's my fur baby. I even have a pet care fund to cover all his needs and wants.
Oh, that's interesting. How are you able to afford it? It sounds like an expensive affair.
I've been investing in balanced advantage funds for a while now.
Balanced advantage funds. What's that?
Balanced advantage funds are mutual funds that adjust their asset allocation between equity and debt based on market conditions. They aim to balance potential growth and stability by dynamically managing these assets.
That sounds intriguing. I think I'll look into it too.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.